Camaro. Bold, energetic, responsive. That's the image its buyers want to project. They buy Camaros for their emotional appeal, their ability to make a personal statement about the people who drive them, who they are, and where they are going. Camaro satisfies these buyer needs with models that fill two key images: Sport Coupe and the all-new Camaro LT for sportiness, Z28 and IROC-Z for performance. Sport Coupe and LT carry on Camaro's tradition of sportiness. Cars that say their owners care about more than just getting there. They appeal to prospects who want the most sportiness for their money, including many who are first-time sporty car buyers. The main attraction to these models is their appearance: the sloping hood, steeply raked windshield, and smooth, rounded hatch glass combine to shape one of the most recognizable cars on the road today. That distinctive Camaro look that says, "I've got style." But sportiness is much more than just styling. It also means having performance that lives up to Camaro's appearance. Standard on Sport Coupe and LT in 1987 is the 2.8-liter V6 with multi-port fuel injection. Injectors at each intake port deliver exact amounts of fuel for maximum performance, while still maintaining excellent overall fuel efficiency. And for those who require additional raw power, an optional 5-liter V8 is also available. And all Sport Coupes are equipped with a special sport suspension that's similar in design to Z28's, giving the driver excellent handling and road feel. LT carries Camaro sportiness a step further with interior appointments that surround occupants in personal luxury. The standard custom interior includes special cloth trim, convenient overhead console, and added sound insulation for a quiet, comfortable ride. There's a wide selection of available sound systems, including this AM/FM stereo with cassette, seek and scan, and graphic equalizer that Camaro prospects can match to their personal taste in music listening. New for '87, all Camaros are available with a top-of-the-line leather seat trim package. It's not only attractive, it's more durable. For those prospects who like their cars to convey their sporty images, Chevrolet puts them in the driver's seat with two of the sleekest, sportiest cars on the road today: Camaro Sport Coupe and Camaro LT. Z28 and IROC-Z, cars that live up to their performance image. They're ready for anything. Appealing to prospects who demand the most in performance and the high-profile styling to match, this duo delivers. IROC-Z and Z28 performance begins under the hood with a standard 5-liter 4-barrel V8, the proven Chevrolet small block V8 that's been the foundation of Chevrolet Thunder, the heartbeat of America. Both models can be equipped with a tuned port injection version of the 5-liter V8. Individually tuned air induction runners and 8 computer-controlled injectors supply precise amounts of air and fuel at each intake port, and results in a phenomenal increase in power and engine response. For even more gut-wrenching power, a special edition IROC-Z equipped with Chevrolet's 5.7-liter TPI V8 is available for those who want the ultimate Camaro, with 220 horsepower and a phenomenal 320 foot-pounds of torque. Performance, however, means more than just horsepower. It's the power team and suspension working in harmony to provide an exhilarating, controlled ride. Z28 and IROC-Z both feature special stabilizer bars and higher rate springs that are engineered to each car's individual handling characteristics. IROC-Z adds racing-bred Delco Bilstein high-pressure gas shock absorbers. Together, these components produce a firm, consistent ride during straightaway acceleration and when maneuvering in and out of turns. The true performance of Z28 and IROC-Z lies beneath their sheet metal, but it's their menacing, ready-to-take-on-all challengers look that first creates excitement. There's the one-of-a-kind Camaro aerodynamic fascia and quad headlamps, functional lower body ground effects, and a rear spoiler with new integral high-mount stop lamp, all helping to channel wind off the back and keep it glued to the road. A breath away from the prestigious International Race of Champions, IROC-Z is styled after racing machines piloted by the world's best drivers. 16-inch cast aluminum wheels and Goodyear Eagle unidirectional black walls, body color ground effects, and special IROC-Z decals and accents send a clear message. This car and its driver mean business. No matter which vehicle your prospects are interested in, Z28 or IROC-Z, they'll be choosing one of the best performance packages available anywhere. For 20 years, Camaro has been a favorite with American drivers, offering models that are more than just transportation. They're extensions of their owners' personalities. Sport Coupe and LT for sportiness. Z28 and IROC-Z for performance. You know when prospects are ready for Camaro, and the emotional appeal of these cars will be an important factor in their buying decisions, because they've got a special point of view about what a car should be. A point of view they can only get from behind the wheel of a Camaro.